In recent years, the farming of domesticated animals and the breeding of wild animals have attracted a great deal of attention. This is a topic that has captured the interest of not only farmers, but also researchers and investors. However, one question arises: is there any difference in the care and nurturing methods for these two types of animals? And, more importantly, how does the quality of the products from these animals compare? Leave a number 1 and join me in discovering if there's any difference. Raising farm animals is a scientific and technical process carried out with the goal of producing food, leather, fur, and other byproducts to meet human needs. For example, dairy cows require careful attention to nutrition, living conditions, health, and production processes. Dairy cows are one of the most important livestock species in the farming industry, primarily for milk production and the creation of dairy products such as cheese, butter, and pasteurized milk. Dairy cows need a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain high milk yield and good health. Their diet includes fresh grass, hay, grains, and supplements such as vitamins and minerals. Fresh grass is the main food source, but when it's not available, cows are fed dry hay or processed feed. To ensure dairy cows get enough fat and protein, farmers can supplement with grains like corn, soybeans, or other types of seeds. Clean water is also crucial, as cows need a lot of water to digest food and produce milk effectively. The living environment of dairy cows must be kept clean and comfortable. The barn should provide enough space for cows to move freely and avoid stress, which helps improve their health and milk production. In summer, cows need access to shaded, ventilated areas to avoid excessive heat. In winter, the barn should be draft-free but still allow for proper ventilation to prevent cows from getting cold. Healthcare for dairy cows is essential to maintain high milk production. Farmers need to regularly monitor the cow's health and check their udders to prevent infections like mastitis, a common disease in dairy cows. Periodically, dairy cows should be vaccinated against infectious diseases and parasites. Cleanliness in the barn and milking equipment is very important to prevent illnesses. The quality of meat from farm-raised animals depends on many factors, including nutrition, breeding methods, species, and post-harvest processing. Livestock species such as cattle, pigs, sheep, and poultry are the primary sources of meat for the market. To ensure high meat quality, animals need to be raised in a clean environment, free from stress, and fed nutritious foods to ensure optimal growth. The diet of livestock mainly consists of fresh grass, grains, and supplements to provide enough protein and fat, which helps the meat have good color, tenderness, and flavor. After harvest, meat must be processed and stored properly to maintain its best quality. The meat processing process includes steps such as cleaning, cutting, packaging, and storage. Fresh meat is typically stored in refrigerators or freezers to stop the decomposition process. Some types of meat are further processed into ready-to-eat products to increase their value and extend shelf life. During processing, natural or artificial preservatives such as salt, spices, or smoke may be used to enhance flavor and extend the product's usability. Lever number 1 if you like industrially raised meat. In recent years, farmers have been gradually shifting to wild animal farming models. Although this type of livestock farming incurs high care costs, it generates huge profits. Can you imagine making $10 million in just one night by farming pythons? See how they do it. Pythons are species that require separate living spaces for each individual. Therefore, when raising them on a farm, the design of the enclosures must pay special attention to space. A python enclosure needs to be large enough for them to move freely without feeling confined. For larger species of pythons, the enclosure should be spacious, with solid walls to prevent the snakes from escaping, while ensuring complete safety for both the snakes and the caretakers. Another important factor in raising pythons is temperature and humidity. Pythons are a species that thrive in stable, warm temperatures, so in a farm setting, owners need to equip the environment with air conditioning or heating systems to maintain temperatures between 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity also needs to be kept high, ranging from 60 to 80%, as low humidity can cause issues with shedding or skin diseases in pythons. Misting devices, water tanks, or automatic humidity control systems can be used to manage this factor. Additionally, pythons are carnivorous and primarily consume small animals like rats, rabbits, and occasionally other reptiles. Therefore, feeding pythons requires attention to detail. The food provided must be hygienic and suitable for the nutritional needs of each python species. Some python farms today buy frozen food like rats, rabbits, or poultry from reliable suppliers, rather than raising the animals themselves. This not only helps save costs, but also ensures food safety for the animals. Breeding pythons in captivity is a complex process. Female pythons can lay between 10 to 50 eggs per clutch, but to ensure a high survival rate for the eggs, the owners need to create an optimal incubation environment. The eggs are incubated in controlled tanks with precise temperature and humidity levels, similar to the female python's natural habitat. In about 2 to 3 months, the eggs will hatch into baby pythons, and they will be given special care during their early stages, as they are very vulnerable. However, farming pythons also presents challenges. Since pythons still retain their wild instincts, they can easily become stressed if their living environment does not meet their necessary physiological needs. This can lead to the pythons losing their appetite, refusing to eat, or even becoming ill. Caring for pythons requires the farmer to have a solid understanding of the species' behavior and a deep knowledge of their natural habitat to create the right conditions for their care. Pythons are not only wild animals that bring ecological value, but also have wide applications in the economy. Compared to raising traditional livestock, pythons offer several notable advantages. Their diet and hunting behaviors have helped improve sustainable farming methods, reducing the need for pesticides and chemical fertilizers in agriculture. Moreover, raising pythons on farms can lower feed and maintenance costs since they do not require as much complex care as livestock. Pythons primarily eat small animals like rats, which helps reduce the number of rodents that damage crops, thus supporting crop protection without the use of harmful chemicals. Additionally, python skin is a valuable resource, used in the production of luxury fashion items such as handbags, shoes, and wallets, generating significant economic value. Furthermore, studying the physiology and adaptability of pythons has led to new applications in technology, particularly in the development of sustainable materials and organic farming methods. Compared to traditional livestock farming, raising pythons offers higher economic efficiency and less negative environmental impact, and can contribute to the sustainable development of agriculture and the processing industry.
Combining squid with butter won't disappoint you. Let's give it a try. Have you learned the whole process yet? Now let's put the squid into this spiralizer. Hold and tear this piece of squid. It's genuinely amazing to enjoy it with a refreshing glass of beer right now. The KSB2 cabbage coring machine can core up to 600 cabbages per hour. The CAP 68 cabbage cutting machine can efficiently process the already cored cabbages. That packaging line seals the deal for those top-notch orange juice bottles. The plastic bottles are passed through a system of washers and dryers before being used to package the orange juice. Thousands of soda bottles on the conveyor belt line up one after another to the labeling section. The assembly line operates automatically and precisely. This is a creative solution for sorting and packaging apricots. The flexible drive design allows for the creation of conveyor belts suitable for various applications, from snacks, nuts, baked goods, dried fruits, and cereals to frozen and wet products. The packaging machine can pack 60 to 200 pieces per minute, depending on the type and size of the product. Does this machine benefit your store? If not, please leave a 0 up. A compact assembly line solution for automatic channeling and product loading using robots. The reliable gripping technology enhances safety and efficiency in the process. Thanks to its compact design and space-saving layout, it provides flexible solutions for cutting all kinds of food. The proven treff cutting technology allows for slicing with a thickness of 0.7 millimeters. We will guide you on how to prepare the recipe for lamb chops with salsa pineapple sauce. To prepare the pineapple salsa, use the AMS 220 pineapple and melon peeling machine. Wishing you success and enjoyment while following this recipe. The fantastic paper cup manufacturing plant produces 3 million disposable cups every day. Giant rolls of white paper are fed into the machine with the assistance of a specialized forklift. After decorating, they are cut into the cup's template shape. The cup's shape gradually takes form thanks to this machine. Attaching the base and rim is the final step before they are bundled and boxed. You can purchase this machine for your beloved family. The robot arms combined with the electronic weighing system operate accurately and smoothly. If you enjoy our video, please comment 1-8 wow. In this video, we showcase the inspiring applications of the pastry shaping machine. With this machine, you can unleash your creativity to make various types of pastries with different designs. Who wants to try this delicious dish? And what's this special dish called? Let's hear its name so everyone knows. Automated onion sorting, integrated solutions, and high-end machinery to optimize the onion packaging process. This is the process of making French fries at a factory in Japan. Only the finest quality potatoes are selected for use in this factory. First, they are thoroughly washed and peeled. The sliced potatoes are then fried in giant industrial fryers. Take a look at the result. The conveyor belts are filled with delicious fries waiting to be packaged. The fries undergo a final quality check before reaching consumers' hands. The quality is truly perfect, and you can trust the product. Is French fries paired with a cool ice cream cone a good choice? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you agree with me, press 1. We've just visited the beautiful country of Japan, and now let's explore the traditional rice cakes of South Korea. This delicacy is made from freshly harvested glutinous rice, cleaned and ground into fine powder. The powder is steamed in multiple layers in steamers for a certain period. The extruder machine is cleaned and prepared for the next step. The steamed rice flour is then fed into the extruder, and let's see the result. They look like soft, delicate strands, don't they? Now they will be cut into appropriate sizes. Thinly slice it using a slicer into noodle-like strands that we know or serve steamed with dried seaweed. Distribute the carrots for the operator to sort. After being thoroughly washed, the apples are transferred onto the automated conveyor belt. With the combination of human input, the apples are boxed up and ready for delivery to consumers. With this dough twister machine, you won't have to get your hands dirty every time you step into the kitchen. Frying in a large skillet, these crispy and delicious twists will be all yours. Vertical plate freezing solution for fish and seafood. It is optimized for rapid freezing, long running times, and high productivity. If you want to produce Harvard but don't want to invest in an entire production line, consider making Harvard on the Montpensier machine. The Montpensier machine allows you to produce up to 20 kilograms of candy per hour. The London Yaki production machine is fantastic. The machine is synchronized with 3 nozzles. The batter and filling are poured into the mold in sequence. The baking and flipping system is also automated to produce uniform and high-quality cakes. It's simple. The cakes are easily removed with a simple operation to make them look perfect. London Yaki is made from honey and eggs with a light white bean paste, offering a simple yet delicious flavor that everyone can enjoy. The integrated pork packaging production line is fully equipped, providing packaging line solutions for maximum flexibility, minimal downtime, and increased overall efficiency. The world's largest modern pig farm is an icon of progress in the livestock and food technology industries. What mainly attracts attention is the pork processing and cutting line with multi-million-dollar technology. This assembly line is not just a machinery system, but also an exquisite combination of automation and precision in production. From selecting and arranging the pigs to processing the meat to the highest standards, each step in the process is executed with precision and optimal efficiency. The integration of technology and craftsmanship makes this assembly line a symbol of modernity and advancement in the pork processing industry. The dual-lane high-speed vacuum bag packaging machine is a pioneer, with a production speed of up to 160 BPM. As a sashimi enthusiast, you can't miss out on these delicious fresh salmon slices. A cookie packaging assembly line with the highest speed I've ever seen. Isn't the food processing robot a wonderful thing? If you're not quite skilled enough to craft a beautifully decorated cake for a birthday party, this machine will lend you a hand. Each move is swift and precise, just like a skilled baker. Designed with a variety of nozzles to suit different types of cakes. The V35 vacuum packaging machine is compact and user-friendly. You can vacuum seal cheese, meat, various nuts, and other products beautifully and tightly in the blink of an eye. The Thompson 4200 mixing grinder with a mobile 200L container, grinding fresh meat at a 4.5 mm level. It is impressive how this pineapple juice production line operates. The pineapple farms are meticulously selected, from seed selection to careful cultivation. After harvesting, the pineapples are brought to the factory for thorough cleaning. Are they dancing on the conveyor belt because they've just been refreshed? This machine is truly miraculous. It peels and juices the pineapples in just one step. Looking at this delicious pineapple juice tank, I understand why those pineapples are so happy. They look amazing indeed, especially the bright red beans. Are you curious about how these tiny beans are made? I noticed that the molds for these candies are made of powder instead of plastic. Isn't that amazing? These candies will be coated with natural and healthy colors. This installation system is designed to package strawberry trays in the Atlanta FlowPack machine at up to 120 trays per minute. It includes several manual loading stations and a conveyor belt check weigher to ensure proper weight on the trays. Is a flexible solution for ceviche, croquettes, skewers, and all pressed and portioned products with precision. Thank you for watching the entire video. Have you chosen your breakfast for tomorrow yet? Leave a comment below. If you found this video interesting, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the following videos.